So in this video, I'll show you how to use a cool feature dynamic blocks in AutoCAD for making 2D drawings. It's super handy and lots of people know about it, but not everyone knows how to use it to the fullest. For example, you can quickly adjust things like door width and frame thickness. So yeah, and when you place them on your wall drawing, it's a very simple, just attach them. And they automatically match the wall's orientations. So I'll explain how to make it. Let's get to tutorials. Alright, so first one, let's create a simple door plan drawings like this. Okay, first, let's create the frame of the door with a square shape and add grooves for the door leaf spacing like this. And don't forget to use the join command to close or connect the lines. Here, I need guidelines to mirror the frame to the right like this. Next, I'll complete this drawing by adding the door leaf and dashed reference lines for the door leaf orientation. So you can do the same as what I've done in this video. Okay, once the drawing is done, the next step is to apply it to the dynamic block. You can use the command B and press enter to display the dynamic block window. So here, you can follow me for the step-by-step. In the next step, make sure to display the authoring palettes window and the properties window. To display them, you can type the command properties and press enter and click on the authoring palettes icon on the top tab like this. Okay, first you need to create a wipeout box. The purpose of this is to cover the objects behind the door image later. Okay, you can follow me like this. Now you need to apply linear parameters. Here I'll use 3 linear parameters, one for the door opening width, one for the door frame thickness, and another one as a reference for scaling the curved line. Okay, please attention and be careful. Here you can input the width value of the door as needed. The number I'm inputting here is just an example. Next, you should do the same, which is applying linear parameters for the frame width, scaling the curved lines just as I did before. So you can do it like this too, and remember, the frame width number here is just an example. Alright, once the parameters are applied, next, let's move to the Actions tab. Here, I'll only use 2 actions, one for scaling and the other for stretching. Again, please pay close attention and make sure not to apply them incorrectly. So, let's begin. Okay, that's all we do inside the block editor. Now let's close the block editor and directly try applying it to the floor plan drawings.
I'm something more than ordinary man.
So first, let's try placing this door into the wall plan using this alignment grip. And as you can see, the door orientation adjusts automatically. And next, let's try changing the width of the door opening like this. And as you can see, we can easily adjust the width of the opening. And one more thing, we can try doing the same for the frame width like this. Yeah, this is really cool in helping with work and making you even more productive. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Hope it was helpful and see you again in the next video. Thank you and see you again.